Another part here we have here, like it's called additional expenses. Let me explain you. Like we have, let's say, like another part, it's called manual adjustments. Manual adjustments is something that you want to add here as expenses that was not counted inside your seller central. Let's say you have a designer, and then you select the product, which product person been
Mm-hmm.
assigned to, or maybe he was working on entire brand. You can
Mm-hmm.
assign, or you don't have to assign for some product, but let's say you want to assign for some product, you put the date and you put the amount. Let's say you pay him $375, and the moment you're gonna save it, it's gonna be applied to your P&L and also going to be applied for your financial calculations. So the main idea of all these calculations and financial numbers, I have a CPA in my company, like the person who can, and a financial advisor, the person who consistently, the only job they have, it's just to look at the numbers, the financial numbers, because
Mm-hmm.
you would be surprised by when people ignoring financial analytics in their company, they can be surprised how much they can change the direction of their company while they start to pay attention of like, hey, how much actually we're paying to the designers for one-time projects. Let's say they pay $800 per one-time project, and they
Mm-hmm.
do 2-3 projects per month. At this money, you can hire a designer for your company for $1,500 a month and complete more projects. And
Mm.
you can train this person to understand your brand better, so you don't need every time to explain why this serum works better for the face, or why
Yeah, yeah.
this pencils better than the competitors. So
Mm-hmm.
your designer, your in-house designer, can understand your brand values better, and he will complete your tasks way faster than this one-time guys. I'm not against one-time guys, don't get me wrong. We have a big teams. We also ask
Mm-hmm.
service providers time to time to help us, because sometimes we're either busy or want to test new concept. Generally speaking, delegating your tasks to other people is one of the keys for your continuous growth.
For sure, man. Dima, and
Yeah.
so we went from profit and loss to manual adjustments, which we can, as you mentioned, manual add something that was like an
Mhm.
expense on a photographer. Maybe we went to get a consulting call from some expert that was extra $200, let's say. So okay, so we have this here, then it updates in profit and loss, right? You said.
Exactly, yeah. It's going to
Okay.
be added on all the levels. It's going to be in a sales and profit. It's
Mm-hmm.
going to be in profit and
Yeah,
loss as well.
got
You're
it.
gonna see this everywhere once you do a detail analytics. So this will be placed permanently inside your. You can also delete this or edit in case it's something that you can set up for yourself adjustments like monthly costs. Like for example,
Mm-hmm.
every month you pay for Sellerise.
Yeah.
So you can also add it here, and then it will help you to have a
Yeah.
better also understanding of your financials. Everything that comes as a continuous expenses, you also can do. So you can see the future adjustments here, and you can, let's say, if you cancel some services,
Mm.
you can always cancel them here. Yeah, it will help you to monitor your books and financials better.